This week we will be making a 7-layer casserole. It comes from a very well bookmarked cookbook from my mother's collection. This is Best Recipes from the backs of boxes, bottles, cans, and jars by Ceil, Dyer. Original copyright was 1976. This version was published in 1996. A recipe for liberated cooks. So quick and easy, developed long before cooks were liberated. So delicious, it is one of the most popular ever from the Hunt Wesson kitchens. Ingredients: 1 cup of uncooked rice, 1 pound can of whole kernel corn undrained, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 beef bouillon cube, 3/4 cup of boiling water, 1 15-ounce can of Hunt's tomato sauce with tomato bits, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Italian herb seasoning, 1 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup each chopped green pepper, sweet banana pepper, which I've combined the two, and celery, 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 cup of shredded mild cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of imitation bacon bits. In a 2-quart casserole, arrange ingredients in layers in the following order: rice mixed well with corn, half the salt and pepper, bouillon cube and boiling water, half of Hunt's tomato sauce that has been mixed with Worcestershire sauce and Italian seasoning, chopped onion, green pepper, and celery, uncooked ground beef, remaining salt and pepper, remaining Hunt's tomato sauce mixture. Cover tightly, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Sprinkle with cheese, bake uncovered for 15 minutes longer. Top with bacon bits before serving. Interesting. Looks like it's thoroughly cooked. Ooh, it's got the rice right in it. Very nice. And what do we say? Winner. That was a 7-layered casserole. And this is from, I would say, one of my mother's favorite cookbooks, only because it's so bookmarked. Well, it is called Best Recipes by Ceil Dyer. It's from the backs of boxes, bottles, cans, and jars.